Okay, so we've got an exciting new feature in NotebookLM. You can now generate high quality, professional looking infographics in merely minutes. These are some examples that I created in NotebookLM. What I actually noticed was it's powered by Gemini 2.0 Flash instead of Nano Banana Pro, which I thought earlier. It's not exactly new technology, but I think it's a very clever implementation of the same tech. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own infographics and show you the prompt that helps you get the best results. So let's head over to notebooklm.google.com. And once we are over here, you can either create a new notebook or use an existing one. I already have one created, so I'm just going to open that. Once you're over here, you will see this infographic icon in the studio section on the right. You can either click directly on this icon or you can click on the pencil and provide more custom instructions to it. I highly recommend using this custom instructions to get the best results. So here you can configure your language. We're going to go ahead with English. Choose the orientation style, landscape, portrait or square. Personally, I prefer landscapes because I can see the information flow from left to right side. And that's the way we usually read as well. Now you can define the level of details, concise, standard or details. For the level of detail, I usually choose standard, and I've actually found that it's adaptive based on the content provided, chooses between standard or much more detailed or concise. So we'll just go with standard as of now. For the infographics section, I highly recommend using this particular prompt. Reason being, you will find many a times that the infographics created by NotebookLM is too much text heavy and there's no margins as well. It's too much information for a person to digest and too much information for an infographic as well. So to avoid scenarios like this, we can use the prompt that I'm suggesting. This is the basic prompt that I have tested multiple times and it's working consistently, so you guys can use it as well. We'll head over to our infographics. Now over here, I'll just define what I want. Create an infographic from layout. And then I'm going to paste in my prompt, hit generate. And our infographics is getting ready. Now this takes around a couple of minutes to get the infographics ready. It's much more slower than Gemini 2.0 Flash. I'll just skip forward and just show you the results. Okay, so the infographic has been generated. And in the infographics, I basically asked for the road to glory of Argentina in the 2022 World Cup. And as you can see, the 32 nations started off in the group stages with 8 groups. 16 teams advanced. Morocco's historical run. The final, Argentina claims the cup. And then all the awards. As you can see, it's nice visuals with contextual information and very pleasant to look at. You can also download the infographics to your device. Gemini 2.0 Flash actually supports up to 4K image generation. So don't be surprised if you see the image size to be such large, around 6 MB. That's because it's genuinely high resolution image. You can display it on large screens without any sort of quality loss. So that's how you can create infographics on NotebookLM, along with the prompt technique that will make your infographics much more readable and aesthetic. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe my video. See you in the next one.